Inductively coupled plasma atomic emission spectroscopy is the reverse of atomic absorption spectroscopy. In this technique, a wavelength of light are studied which are emitted by atoms or molecules during the transition from an excited state to a lower energy state. Atomic emission spectroscopy fundamentally consists of three general steps: breaking a sample into constituent atom, atomization, excitation of atom, and emission of electron fall back their original orbit. Their original orbit of this first step is atomization used by atomic absorption spectra, as well as atomization should be produced with a minimum ionization of elements to be analyzed. It can be done by a number of methods. Example, the heating the sample to a high degree. This inductively coupled plasma atomic absorption atomic emission spectroscopy utilizes the plasma of the atomization and excitation. Plasma is a state of matter similar to gas in which particles are ionized. Plasma can be produced supply energy to matter. Some lighting and aurora borealis are examples of plasma found in nature. And inductively coupled Icp plasma is produced by supplying energy in the form of electric current produced by electromagnetic spectrum. Induction creation of Icp argon gas is used to create plasma by EM induction. Temperature ranges from 4000 to 8000 K. Use of this plasmas and atomization excitation source. Sample is introduced in the plasma. Its molecule immediately collided with electrons and charged ions in the plasma. The sample is broken down into respective atoms. Electrons in individual atoms get energy from plasma to higher level. As they return to the original position, they emit radiation. The process they given of radiation with the characterized wavelength of element involved the radiation used to derive the composition of the sample. Numerous metals can be detected based on the emission line. Non-metals, phosphorus, sulfur, hydrogen have strong emission. In the vacuum, ultraviolet UV ranges from 100 to 200 nanometer because elements by accident is strongly absorbed by air. Earlier, the inductively coupled plasma atomic absorption spectroscopy did not have UV properties, but now such instrument available detection of non-metal is possible. Next is Raman spectroscopy, mass spectroscopy. Mass spectroscopy is an analytic technique that detects poison by breaking them into molecular fragments by measuring mass to charge ratio of each fragment. Strictly speaking, is misnomer. Reliability is the most reliable identification, but applicable to only if the sample is pure. In case of impure sample, admixture of sample is subject to fraction separation by gas chromatography. Procedure is more commonly as GCMS, that is gas chromatography. Mass spectrometry remains the gold standard of drug testing. Steps in a loading of sample. Suspected sample is loaded into this MS instrument and vaporized ionization and components are ionized by impacting them with a high energy electron. It results in the formation of charged particle ion. Other method, chemical ionization. Mass spectroscopy by chemical agents means with the ions of a reagent. Electrospray ionization. Spectrometry. Separation ions are made to electric field. The movement is according to their mass to charge. Dependent detection of ions. Ions are detected and analyzed. This ion channel is processed into mass spectrometer. Thank you.